celebrating the divine grace of Saraswati Puja, where creativity blossoms and knowledge flourishes in a symphony of devotion. On this auspicious day, may the blessings of Ma Saraswati inspire us all to pursue excellence and uphold the values of glory and discipline. Wishing all CAC members a joyous and prosperous celebration filled with wisdom, creativity, and unwavering dedication. Let us embrace the light of knowledge and strive for greatness together.
বডি ফলে হয়